My name is Robert Cooney, and I was president of the Shock Society from 2013 to 2014. I'm currently the professor and chairman of surgery at SUNY Upstate in Syracuse, New York. My first memory of the Shock Society was attending the 1995 meeting in Asheville, North Carolina. I had done some research with Tom Very, a longstanding member who introduced me to the society. I remember driving down there with my wife and our two young daughters, and the real family orientation of the meeting, how friendly everybody was, and at that particular meeting, the Monday afternoon golf at the Grove Park Inn. I think the Shock Society is different from other organizations for a number of reasons, but especially for me, it's the collegiality of the members and the exchange of scientific ideas by people with like-minded interests, as well as mentorship. I think the organization really strives to develop the next generation of surgical scientists who are interested in shock. And that is really special to me because it's something that I'm passionate about. Before I was president, I was the secretary for 3 years. And during that time, we went through the economic downturn of 2008. And so there was a lot of debate about how we should invest our financial resources in a responsible way that might allow them to grow. And so there was a lot of discussion and adjudication about how we might do that. In addition, as the president, there was a lot of discussion about who we could partner with, organizations that had shared interests and goals, and we came to the agreement that the Department of Defense was an important ally for us as our mission statements align so closely. So when I was president, I had a major role in helping to develop that relationship which exists today. I think the Shock Society had a huge impact on my career, not only as a scientific investigator, but also as a mentor. The process of training the next generation of surgical scientists involves learning from others, and I was heavily influenced by many people that I came to know through my involvement in the organization. I think one of my fondest memories in the Shock Society was the whitewater rafting we did in Colorado a few years ago, and how cold the water was, and how exciting it was to be in the white water. I think seeing a couple people go into the water when we were going down the rapids in Colorado was amusing, but maybe that's a little silly of me for thinking that. Well, it's been a great honor for me as a practicing trauma surgeon to be involved with so many great surgical scientists and others who are committed to understanding why patients with shock develop organ failure and other problems. And it's just been a great part of my professional life.